wanted to take this opportunity to say that this action plan is a really important tool to have in that toolbox. We're talking about addressing the lead problems in our community. And also to give you a little bit of background information, there's been a lot of discussion over the concern about lead in the Flint water supply, but also it's comparing somewhat apples to oranges. In Flint, they used a surface water supply for their drinking water, but in Calhoun County and indeed throughout most of Michigan, we rely on groundwater. And we are extremely fortunate in having very good groundwater in Calhoun County in particular, and also having very diligent water authorities in all the different cities and villages. But again, maybe putting a little bit more information out there as far as what we've done in Calhoun County. We had a unique opportunity that was given to us a number of years ago, and that came in the form of a grant provided by the W.K. Kellogg Foundation, and in working with a really strong partnership with the U.S. Department of U.S. EPA, we did a study of all the schools, daycares, child care centers and such that were served by municipal water in Calhoun County. And what we found was that, again, no surprise, the groundwater was fine. But what we were really looking for is how much effect does the plumbing inside a facility have on the quality of the drinking water. And of the over 4,000 water samples that were taken during this 3-year period of time, we had 37 only that had elevated levels. And this was entirely tracked down to issues with lead solder in the water lines, outdated and outmoded plumbing fixtures, faucets and taps, and so on and so forth. When those were removed, the lead hazard went away. And another program that maybe you aren't familiar with is throughout Michigan there is something called a Type 2 program, and that protects the water supply that serves the public facilities such as gas stations, convenience stores, rest areas and such that have well water. And this has been going on for decades. And we have at least 151 of those facilities here in Calhoun County. And as of this morning, we have none that have elevated lead levels. We're all doing just fine. And so, but the thing to remember about lead is that you can't smell it, you can't taste it, you can't see it. And so testing your water is just a very good thing to do, not only for lead, but there's a lot of other things that you should check your water for on a regular basis. We have a variety of different tests that are available through the health department. You could take your own water sample and send it in. You could take your sample and give it to us to send in. We can come out to your house and take the water sample and let you know what you have. And we are more than happy to provide you with whatever information you may need to know about water testing, water quality, what your results mean. It'd just be a matter of contacting our office.